Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, before we start, what do we have here? 2018 Dodge Challenger. Most people will just open the hood and they will try to find the fuse right here in the fuse box under the hood. You can see like that, but it's not there, guys. It's at a different location. Now, many of you in the comment section below asked us to share information about a good scanner when working on these cars, and that's the one that we use daily, guys. That's our favorite OBD2. It works on almost any car you can think of, and it can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, and see live data. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to learn more about it, or if you want to check out the current price and features. Now, the USB that we're talking about is the one right here. You can see in the center console. Now, car has been in an accident. We'll be rebuilding it here very soon. That's what we'll be working on lately. So if we come right here, we're going to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, you'll come to the fuse box that's located next to the spare tire and the car battery. You can see right here. You need to open it by pressing this one to the back and pull it up. You can see just like that, guys. Now, very important to test fuses and not just to try to see if they're burned through the glass or not, because sometimes you cannot clearly see that, and when that happens, okay, you may end up, guys, putting a bad fuse that you think it's good, and you may just keep spending time and money to fix a problem that practically doesn't exist. So which fuse now we need to check? The first fuse that we need to check, guys, okay, will be fuse number, okay, F12. F12, guys, will be that little bitty fuse, that 20 amp fuse here. That's one of them, okay, one of them for that USB in the center console. And then we have one more fuse that you need to check. The other fuse, guys, it's actually known as fuse number 68. Okay, some of you may have it, some may not. So if you come right here, it will be 1, 2, 3. That fuse right here will be the one if you have it, but we don't. We just have the fuse number 12 right here, which is actually for the USB in the center console. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing to find that. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.